Well, there wasn't that much economic news out this week. We had some news about housing starts, which were okay, up 2.3% to 750,000, which is good. Permits were down slightly, but they were up in the single-family housing units. Japan increased their stimulus package to $1 trillion. That was good. We're starting to get more stimulus going on around the world. And this morning, there was some little bit of good news coming out of Europe. So, the news wasn't all bad this week. Jobless claims fell 3,000, but it's still, at 380 something thousand. I mean, it's not low. Anything under 350 would be better. The China PMI report came out, and that was at 47.8. Remember, above 50 is expansion, below 50 is contraction. So they're not contracting, but they certainly are slowing. That's what we're seeing. The growth is contracting. Let's put it that way. So the question is what's going to happen? Well, with QE3, of course, the Fed has stepped in and said, hey, we're going to do something dramatic. And not only did they do the QE3, as I mentioned last week, but it's open-ended. It's forever until price stability starts to deteriorate, meaning inflation. With that in mind, we're just going to have to get long in this market, and you're going to have to find a way to be aggressive. We still might get a pullback, but I don't think it's going to be much in duration or depth. For some reason, in the back of my mind, I got this worry back. Remember in I think it was 1987, October, the first part of October, the stock market fell 20%. For some reason, I'm feeling shades of that. I don't know. I think that might be just because, I've been around a long time and I fear these things. But it just feels like the market is building up for itself to correct. And I'll remind you that the day after that was the absolute best day to buy the market in many, many years. That was the mark. That fall was the mark of the best bull market we've ever had for like 15, 18 years. So I'm not worried about it. I just know it might come and it's going to cause a lot of fear, but that would be fear to buy if it did. I'm not saying it's going to happen. The probability is that it won't happen, and you really have to invest with probabilities, not with the possibilities. What with the probabilities?
The InvestTalk Update is a monthly briefing that gives you a snapshot of the past month's market, along with other useful perspective and information. You'll see important articles like Protecting Your Investments Against Scam Artists, excerpts from Steve's book, links to the month's InvestTalk talking points, plus news of upcoming InvestTalk events in your area. And it comes free each month to your email box. To get your subscription, just go to investtalk.com and click on the icon at the top of the page.